Show them how you love your toy. Show them how you eat your toy. And you can't kill it. Got your treats in there, doesn't it? Did one fall out? Get your toy. She drops it for the little ones, or those little treats fall out. Blaze, bring your toy here. Where's your treats, huh? Did you just sneeze on my carpet? Where's your treats? Jack, where's your treats? Huh? Say hi to everybody. Can you say hi? Okay, come on. Should we go find your sister? Should we go find your sister? You're a pretty boy, aren't you? Oh, yeah, you're such a... Should we get a pig's ear? Hush, let's go get a pig's ear. Come on, let's go get one. Come on. We'll go get pig's ear. Okay. You know right where they are, don't you? There you go. That's okay.